Today we are going to solve a fun math puzzle using pictures of sea animals. Each animal have a value and we want to know the value of each animal. Let's solve it together.
We see that 3 fish added together equal to 12. Now find the value of each fish.
A fish plus a fish plus a fish equals 12. Which value can equal 12? The value of fishes is 4. Four plus 4 equals 12.
Second step, we have 4 plus 2 jellyfish equal to 8. We want to find the value of each jellyfish.
So we know this fish is 4 plus which value equal 8? We know that the value of fish is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal 8.
Finally, we have the last equation. 1 jellyfish plus 1 octopus, then minus 1 octopus equal 2. Find the value of each octopus.
We know that the value of jellyfish is 2. So 2 plus which value minus which value equal 2? The value of octopus is 1. Two plus 1 equal 3. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Bye bye.